Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use RAFT in PrusaSlicer. So first what we are going to do is take a look into the right corner, top right corner of the screen, and we will select here expert mode if you don't have that already. Now click on the print settings tab at the top of the screen on the left side and look at the left hand sidebar and click skirt and brim. So let's find this one, skirt and brim, the third one from the top to bottom. Now what we need to do is locate the uh, right here, but locate the raft. So if you don't see it, we can just simply type in here in the top into this search engine right here. And with that raft, we will also looking for raft layers. So the first one here, we can choose this one. So where it is, all right, it's under the support material, raft, and then we have raft layers. So they move it. Change here the numbers from 0 to your preferred choice. So usually is 2 or 3 layers. So this is a standard. Now, right below the raft layer settings, you can adjust how the raft behaves. So raft contact Z distance. Here, this controls the air gap between the raft and your actual model. Uh, so a higher number makes the model easier to peel off, but a lower number makes the bottom of your print look cleaner. Then we have also here raft expansions. So this controls how far the raft extends outward past the edges of your model. A wider expansion gives the print a stronger grip on the build plate. Alright, now what we can do is just return to the plater tab at the top, and then we can slice now button in the bottom right corner. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next